thoughts on where we are and what it's looking like?
I think that we're not ready to make the right decisions, and we're just shifting the blames. We're currently still playing the blame game. That's why we're here. If we're ready to do exactly what we want to do, and I thought about it and I said I was going to ask you a question. Take, for example, what kind of phone do you use? Don't answer the question. But you see, I just know that it's not made in Nigeria. And until we come back to what are we using, what are we consuming, and where is it from? If we don't take that thing back to the basis, then we're not going to get out of this situation. So we're in this problem, and the reason we're going to keep talking about central bank is because we just believe that the central bank can make a decision and it will give us the leverage over the dollar. It's not going to happen. The only thing that will happen is that we have to do something. And that's the other part that I have a problem with. Nigerians also feel that the president will just take a decision and all of a sudden, Naira will go up, dollar will come down, or they will be at par. It's never going to happen. You know how we're going to get out of this mess? We're going to produce, we're going to export. If we don't produce and we don't export, forget it. We're still going to be in this mess for a while. The only other way around it is some policies that the Senate, the House of Assembly, the National Assembly as a whole can work on. For example, make sure that we limit a lot of the things that we're still importing that we don't need or can produce in Nigeria. The moment some people will start shouting because some people import those things, that's their own business. They would feel highly impacted by that decision. However, it's going to benefit a lot of Nigerians to say, okay, why are we importing clothes when we have a direct? Why are we importing clothes when we can manufacture here in Nigeria? Why are we bringing in food when we can produce food? Why is it that we don't have enough food in Nigeria? It's because a number of people have left the farms. When the government can do irrigation, you don't have to wait for rainy season to plant.
But just to counter that a bit now, there's a lot of these things you're talking